busog na. Minom ka na ng tubig. Oh, sige.
I consume 8 to 12 glass a day.
Upay.
I maybe consume a gallon a day.
Balita mo pa ito, oo.
And I am 20 kilograms kidney stone.
Pag umuran nga ni sirong dito ha, kamarin ha. Ay pag pinauran, Bray.
The roping is unsafe because
Ay wait, pag yung kikinain mga basura, ay pag pinamurot, mamurot ka ni, kadtula dito mat nga may kuan.
my work, ma'am, after to clean the areas, secure the area.
Sige.
Or at night, I wonder why at night they just come out to consume. But my QR code or they are beneficiary of telehealth or NFA. There are 3 beneficiaries of telehealth. Family code 1985.
Yan po si Brian. Ay nako, Diyos ko Lord.
Yesterday, when it is Christmas, it rained over candies. The old ladies pay her the youngster go to the town and ask for candies. Some of gifts.
Kaya bubutangan tayo nga im tubig. Inom ka pa?
I wonder why if I eat rice and fish, I become weak.
You become what?
I become weak. I supposed to fruits from a citrus of surname of lemon. That is fruits of 12 fruits of the round table. The giant grain guavas was not there at the Wilson's residence.
Sige, makain ka naman. Pag mauli ka, pag liliwan ka dit bado, damo man dito ni mo bado, di ba? Pinanagang ka bado.
That was their skin. I supposed to wear the because I am the host. I have been wear the this plastic iron. Even at the skin of buffalo.